Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 7. Where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6 and turns through one right angle? It starts from 8 and turns through two right angles. It starts from 10 and turns through three right angles. It starts from 7 and turns through two straight angles. Now you have to know that one right angle equal to how much degree, that is we'll find first, right? That means one right angle, writing here one right angle, one right angle, one right angle is equal to 90 degree, right? And two right angle, two right angle, two right angle is equal to 2 into 90, 2 into 90 degree, that is 180 degree, that is 180 degree. And three right angles, three right angles, three right angles is equal to 3 into 90 degree equal to 270 degree, 270 degree, right? And one straight angle, here we are writing here one straight angle, one straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore two straight angle is equal to 2 into 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. These are the informations we needed, right? Now where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6? It starts from 6 and turns through one right angle, right? One right angle means, that means we already told you that we found that 12 hours, one complete revolution is 360 degree, and in clock there are 12 hours. Therefore 12 hours equal to 360 degree. 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. 300 12 hours equal to 360 degree. 12 hours is equal to 360 degree, right? 12 hours means 360 degree. Therefore, you can say 1 hour 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. 1 hour means 30 degree, right? Now you'll find from 6 and it turns one right angle. Right angle means how much? 90 degree. 90 degree, right? Means how many hours? How many hours we are finding? 90 degree. That is question number A. We are writing question number A. That is one right angle. One right angle means 90 degree, right? And here we find that 1 hour is equal to 30 degree, right? 1 hour equal to 30 degree. If we divide by 30 degree, then we are getting 3 3 is a 9. That means 3 hours. We are getting 3 hours, right? That means from 6 we will getting, after that 3 hours, 7, 8, 9, 3 hours. That means the hand of the clock will be here at 9, right? That means where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6 and turns through one right angle? That is, it will stop at 9. It will stop at 9, right? Now question number B. Question number B is from 8 and turns through two right angles. From 8 and turns through two right angles. Right? Two right angles means 180 degree. Right? First of all, we'll drop this one. That is from 8 and turns two right angles. From 8, this is the center of the clock. Here you see, this is the center of the clock. From 8, this is 8, right? And turns through two right angles, right? Turns through two right angles. Two right angles means 180 degree. 180 degree. If you divide 180 by 30, 3 6 18, that is 6 hours. 6 hours. Now we'll count from 8, 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it goes to 2. Right? That means if we go in this way, that means it will stop at 2. That means it will stop at it will stop at 9, not 7. This is actually 9, right? This is 9. That is 90 by 30, that is 3 hours. That is from 6, question number A, 7, 8, 9. That means 3 hours, it will stop at 9. And question number B, 180 by 30, that is 6 hours. That is 6 hours, it will stop at 2, right? It will stop at 2, right? It will stop at 2. Now we will deal with question number C and question number D, right? Let us do question number C and D. Question number C and D. Let us do question number C and D. Now question number C and D. Now question number C. We'll rub this one also. Now we will deal with question number C and question number D, right? Now question number C, from 10 and turns through three right angles. Here you find that three right angles means 270 degree. Question number C, three right angles means it starts from 10. Here this is the center of the clock. This is 10, right? And from 10 and turns through three right angles. Three right angles means 270 degree. 270 degree. If we divide by 30, because 1 hour equal to 30 degree, we divide it by 30 degree, then we are getting 0 0 will cut, 3 9 27, 9 hours. That means 9 hours will start from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we stop at 7, right? Therefore, it will stop at 7. It will stop at 7, right? Now question number D. Question number D, where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 7? It starts from 7. It starts from 7. It starts from 7. Now you see, from 7 and turns through two straight angles. It is starting from 7. This is 7. And turns through two right angles. Here you see two straight angles. One straight angle is 180 degree and two straight angles is 360 degree. That means we have 360 degree. If we divide it by 30, because 1 hour equal to 30 degree, then we are getting, here we are getting 0 0 will be cut, and 3 12 is 36. 12, that means 12 hours. I will count from here 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will come at 7, right? Therefore, it will stop at 7. Therefore, it will stop at 7, right? This is the solution of question number 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and also press the notification bell so that you will first get the uploaded videos. Thank you everybody for watching this video.